Wow, I don't even know how to start this video. So, I have some big news. I am moving out of Korea. We've lived in Seoul for 2 years, which is so crazy. Wow. And I have really, really loved it. And something that we've learned while living here is that we love the international teaching life. I have made so many amazing friends and really grew more into my career as an art teacher. I have loved it so much here, and it's so hard to say goodbye, but we're excited for a change, and I've accepted a new position teaching art at a school in a different country. So we have just been packing everything in our apartment. So when we came to Seoul, we only had 4 suitcases. And it's crazy how much stuff we bought in the last 2 years. So this past year, we've gotten rid of a lot of things. We've given things away. It's been really fun to kind of enjoy our favorite parts of Korea before we leave. And I just feel so bittersweet about this moment. I'm sitting in my empty apartment. I just can't believe it. This is crazy. I had my last Korean barbecue. I went to Olive Young for the last time. And I bought a lot of stuff. I've had such wonderful memories here. I feel like I really connected with people here in Seoul and with the Korean culture. I feel so lucky that I was able to meet so many kind people who welcomed me and made me feel comfortable here. I feel so, again, bittersweet, happy and excited about this new path, but just so sad to leave Seoul because I really do love it here so much. Oh, I've already done so much crying. I don't want to cry again. I really am so lucky to have met such amazing people here. But what I just keep telling myself is this is only the beginning. And I definitely will be back to visit. You can count on that. Yeah, this really is the beginning of our journey. Moving to Seoul, that was the first time I had ever been to Asia, which is so crazy because now I've been all over and I just love it so much. Yeah, wow. I really can't believe that the day is here. I'm moving out. I'm leaving. Oh my gosh. I just want to say thank you to my viewers also for supporting me while I've been over here in Korea. I gained so many new friends and made some really cool connections through my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching. I am very curious to know where you guys think we are going to move to. So please comment down below your guess. Thank you so much for watching, and wow, I will never forget my time here.